Dear students, let us do the revision of projection of planes. Okay, now. So in each problem in the projection of planes, so there will be one initial position. See, there will be three positions basically. There will be one initial position, then there will be a second position, and there will be a final position. Okay, now. So in the initial position, so we need to find the data. Okay, now in this first particular problem, the initial position, we can find out that this from this problem statement that it is an equilateral triangular lamina and it is resting on one of its corner. So basically you need to find out whether the edge condition is there or corner condition is there. Based on that, you need to put the first position. Okay, so in the first position what you are going to do is whether the you have to find whether this is a edge condition or a corner condition. So you need to find. Based on that, below HP you have to draw the sketch. So in this problem they have given the corner, so you need to draw this. And then what is the dimension? According to the dimension you need to draw and project this length, and that will be your first position. Okay, now so in each problem you have to do that. So it's the second problem, that is a square lamina of 35 mm side resting on one of its edges. So square lamina resting on one of its edges means edge condition you have to follow. So this one would be the edge condition and this one would be the projection you have to do. Apart from XY line VPHP, you have to draw this. Okay, so this is the edge condition. So in the next problem, so rectangular lamina of 40 by 30 mm and resting on one of its shorter edges. See, shorter edges means the smaller edge is on the vertical side. Okay, so this is the edge condition with this is a shorter edge you have to draw. Okay, XY line, and you have to project, and next you have to continue. Next, in the fourth problem, pentagonal lamina or side rest on one of its corner. See, pentagonal corner means the left side you should get a corner condition like this. Okay, this is the corner condition. Okay, sorry, this should be in, you should get like this. This is the corner condition, and then you have to project all the lines. So this is the first position for the four problems. Next, fifth problem, again it is corner. So resting on the corner hexagon. So hexagon resting on the corner means you have to draw like this. Okay, then finally circle will be drawn like a circle only. So it doesn't have any edge or corner condition. So six problems we have done the first position. Okay, so try to understand. First, find out whether which kind of lamina it is, and whether which kind of whether it is resting on its corner or edge. Based on that, you need to draw the first position. Now the second position is very simple. That is, you need to incline the uh, lamina to that much particular degree. Okay. So then the your entire problem depends on the first position. If you do the first position wrong, then you are going to make a mistake in each and every step. Okay. Let us consider this equilateral triangular lamina. Its lamina makes 45 degree with respect to HP. See, after this first position, what you are going to do is next position you are inclining 45 degree. So 45 degree line you are going to mark, and then you are going to project this line downwards. Okay, and then you are going to make it incline, and this one and this one will be the second position. Okay, so quite simple. So similarly, the for the square lamina also you need to incline 45 degree with respect to HP. Okay, similarly rectangular lamina. Uh, in rectangular lamina, what you have to do is it appears to be look like a square. Okay, then what you have to do is you have to extend these lines, and appears to be look like square means already you have drawn the shorter edge, that is 30 mm. So you need to draw a line and make the another line should be this distance must be equals to 30 mm. So this is also already this is 30, this becomes square. So now what you have to do is you have to mark this line. Okay, and you have to extend this line, and we need to take this arc, and starting from here you need to cut the arc. Then if you join, this will become your second position. Okay, so similarly you can draw the for pentagon also 40 degrees. So hexagon also 40 degrees you can draw. So only beta angle problems will be always resting on the corner and is inclined to. If it comes, then it will be a beta angle problem. Okay, this is edge. It will not come as beta angle. This is also edge, not a beta angle problem. So this is a corner condition, but it is appears to be, so still it is not a beta angle problem, and this is corner and it is inclined, so this is nothing but this is a beta angle problem. So there are only two beta angle problems, that is question number 1 and the question number 5. Okay, so beta angle problem means what you have to do initially. So in the triangle, what you are going to do is, I'll erase this one. See, after the second position, so you are going to measure this distance as well as this distance. Okay, you have to measure these two distances. So what you have to do is you are going to draw an angle which is given in the problem as 30 degree. Okay, 30 degree you have to draw, and first mark this larger distance from any one point. If you consider, you mark this distance, and you extend this locus, and now measure this distance from the same point. You need to cut an arc and reproduce the second position here. So you need to reproduce the second position here, and you extend this, you're going to get the beta angle. Okay, that is what beta angle problem is. Okay, in circle only thing is you have to divide into 8 equal parts. Okay, now try to understand the problem. This projection of planes which will be of 30 marks. Okay, 30 marks. and for computerization will be, say, 40% will be, that means drawing 12 marks and computerization will be 18 marks. Okay, so for drawing XY line, you're going to get 1 mark. Okay, now, so remaining will be divided into 12 marks. Okay, now, for each position, and computerization also, there will be almost, it will be 6 for each position. Okay, now, the extra, so your plan should be like, first position should be correct. If a first position is correct, second position is almost right. Okay, so if you do the next position correct, then you're going to get up to 20 marks. Okay, now if you don't do the first position right, you're going to get only 2 to 4 marks. That's all. Okay, so let us consider some of the problems you can observe here. Equilateral triangle. So first you need to make this diagram, so which is initial position. Say this one and this one is very simple, so only if you do this much also, you're going to get at least 50% of the marks. Okay, so similarly this problem, so draw the square first and afterwards incline 40 degree and again come back. So this will be very easy. Okay, so this is not a beta angle problem. So similarly, third problem. So here you have to draw the on a shorter edge and then make a square. Okay, and measure this angle, and again very simple problem. So in a pentagon, in a corner condition, so same thing, inclined about 40 degrees. This will have to shrink. Okay, this is not a beta angle problem since they mentioned appears to be inclined. Okay, and the third one is fifth one is a hexagon. So when inclined to 45 degree, it shrinks, and then you need to draw the beta angle problem. Similarly, the circular lamina, again 45 degree, it is going to shrink. Okay, next it will be not a beta angle problem. Okay, any questions, you please comment. Okay, thank you.